what do you think? Where we can put the correct adverb, let's say in the correct place. So, and the last one, listen to this explanation. Listen carefully to this explanation. Or do you have any other suggestions? You have to put this. All right, phrasal verbs. What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs, also called multi-word verbs, are verbs that join together with one or more particle, prepositions, or adverbs. Phrasal verbs are not so common in academic use. Instead, single verbs are preferred for formality. Okay, so phrasal verbs are not used in academic style. So instead, we use what? We use single word, let's say, words. For example, to take part in. To take part in. For example, if you go to the party or some kind of event, you take part in. So take part in is not so common in academic use. Instead, we use participate. So participate is more academic. So keep on playing. Keep on means continue. Bring up an issue. Raise an issue. All right. So make up a story. Invent a story. Make a story up. All right. So these are the examples of this. Now, look at the verbs in bold in each sentence below and decide if they are prepositional verbs or phrasal verbs. You have to decide whether this is prepositional verb or phrasal verb. So, 1. The game consists of 10 rounds. Is it prepositional verb or phrasal verb? So, the moderator weighs up academic arguments. 3. What the game teaches you is that if you are not successful at first, don't give up. All right. Again, find whether give up is a prepositional verb or phrasal verb. 4. The series looks at randomized trials. 5. He didn't make it up. He has evidence to prove it's true. 6. Let's go over these points again. So go over, make up, look at, give up, weigh up, consist of. So you have to find out whether these, let's say, verbs are phrasal verbs or prepositional verbs. So I told you that if this is a prepositional verb, so the verb doesn't change its meaning with the preposition. If it's a phrasal verb, so it changes its original meaning. For example, give up is a phrasal verb because give is to give something, all right? But give up is, let's say, to give in. So for example, you give up studying, you stop studying. All right, you give up smoking, so you stop smoking. All right. Now, rewrite exercise 2. Rewrite these sentences in exercise 1 using a single verb synonym in the box to replace the verbs in bold. Try to use context to help you guess the meanings of unknown words. So, constitutes, discuss, evaluates, examines, fabricate, quick. So, instead of the words that you have, let's say, seen here, consist of weigh up, give up, look at, make up, and go over, you have to put one of these verbs in the box. Constitute, discuss, evaluate, examine, fabricate, quit. All right? For example, quit smoking, give up smoking. Quit and give up, they are synonyms. So you have to find the other verbs. Okay, thank you for your attention for this lesson. Okay? Do the tasks and check your answers.